Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be reviewing Alzclipp memory. So if you don't know what this is, let's read the description right here. Alzclipp uses unique neural simulation to activate olfactory neurons affecting memory and cognition areas in the brain, helping slow degeneration and enhance memory and cognition, and preventing the progression of Alzheimer's and similar diseases. So basically you intake this medicine or a supplement right here, as you can see, to help with your dementia or Alzheimer's. So they claim that it boosts brain cognition, FDA approved, enhances memory, and improves sleep, and a lot of different things. So let's head on over to fakespot.com. As you can see, the review summary over here says that basically this is what the review summary says. The summary of all the reviews says, I can't recommend this product. There is nothing in the inhaler tube. This product was not advertised. There is no smell that emulates at all and looks to be empty, not that impressive at all. Worst product ever, never again, not the best. So many people are saying that it's not the best. Over 47 total reviews. And actually right here, if you go to enter to Reddit, somebody asked Alzclipp, a new product called Alzclipp claims to reverse dementia and improve memory. I'm skeptical. Does anyone have more info? And basically a lot of people said that it's not worth it, and it's not true. For example, this person said, I was searching this earlier. Sadly, it's a scam. Yes, you can buy it, but it won't do anything for dementia or Alzheimer's. So yeah, this product is basically a scam. It doesn't help with dementia or Alzheimer's. So that's too good to be true, since you will need to go to the hospital for that one. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.